Strategically located overlooking the Datça Peninsula, Knidos commanded two natural harbors, which became thriving trade ports. They constructed fine civic buildings, temples, theaters, arched porticos, public baths, and fountains. Greek city of Knidos on the coast of the Asia Minor Mediterranean Sea thrived for centuries as a major harbor and trade hub. Famed for the huge statue of Aphrodite and as the birthplace of the philosopher Epicurus, Knidos had a reputation as a cosmopolitan center of leisure and culture. Canadians enjoyed the good life with local olive oil, wine, figs, fish, as well as occasional imported luxuries. After being conquered by Cyrus the Great of Persia in 54 BC, Knidos later defeated the Persians at sea in 394 BC. The large theater was used for theatrical performances, music concerts, and civic gatherings. Greek tragedies and comedies were performed there, along with concerts and poetic recitations. In addition to the large theater, Knidos had two small theaters used for more intimate performances and meetings. The city's governmental assembly, known as Ecclesia, met in one of the small theaters to debate civic matters and make decisions. Under Hellenistic and Roman rule, the city prospered through its maritime trade and agriculture. However, it began declining in the later years as trade patterns began to change. Canadians had a reputation as lovers of luxury. Local foods included seafood like red mullet, sea bass, octopus, and shellfish. Olive oil and wine were imported from the interior hills. A local delicacy was spicy lamb sausage, flavored with cumin, garlic, and herbs. Almonds, figs, and honey were common snacks. By the 4th century AD, with the fracturing and decline of the Roman Empire, Knidos was no longer the important outpost it had been at the height of the Hellenistic era. It slowly faded into history.
All I want in this whole life, a little red house and a country wife, a picnic table out on the lawn, a couple of kids and a couple of dogs. Work all day to 5:30, a chain link fence and a gravel drive, the wind chime ringing on my front porch, a brand new...
By the early 20th century, Marmaris remained a sleepy fishing village tucked between the mountains and the sea. Today, Marmaris thrives as a sunny beach resort teeming with international tourists and yachtsmen. Famous Ottoman Admiral Piri Reis was born here in 1465. His renowned map of the Americas was created here. He used information from his uncle, who was an explorer and who sailed with Columbus. Under Ottoman rule in the 16th century, Marmaris was reconstructed and expanded, with a new castle built in 1522 to house the Ottoman garrison. Though the town remained a sleepy village for centuries, it was devastated by an earthquake in 1957, leaving only the historic castle intact. Ataturk, the founder of the Turkish Republic. After rebuilding Marmaris, it emerged as a thriving resort and a popular tourist destination. Famous for its shopping, sunny beaches, and its turquoise waters with a mountain backdrop. It also has a lively yacht harbor and marina. We decided to get a boat and visit some beaches. With its rich history dating back to ancient times, it draws visitors to its iconic sandy beaches, like Cleopatra's Island. Marmaris continues to be a jewel in the Mediterranean Sea. We returned in late afternoon and went directly to the 100-plus restaurants that inhabit the waterfront area. As afternoon turned into night, thousands of people come to eat, play, and be entertained. There's plenty of fun for all.
Türk müziği işte.
I'm having my Turkish breakfast in the Avludere Restaurant in Marmaris, and I'm sitting in the river. What a wonderful place to commune with nature for your first meal of the day. This water is just magnificent, and I'm sitting in a tree-covered stream, and I have a layout that is like nothing I've ever had before. Every bit of stuff is here. Olives, tomato paste, tomato sauce, feta cheese, sausage, pisha, and barak, breads, fries, tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, parsley, a smorgasbord of fresh vegetable, olives, butter, honey, chocolate, jam, and apricot jam. Of course, eggs with sausage. And what would breakfast be without chai? Lots of kashar cheese with peppers and lettuce. A beautiful layout here to enjoy one piece at a time. What could be a better start to the day than enjoying it in this wonderful, wonderful place? Please like and subscribe. Join us as we show you the world. These are my last looks.